130.
Oh, relieved, I think.
Relieved, happy,
still shaking.
Just you know, it's hard to describe. It's an ecstatic feeling. You just feel so happy to be here and have a win, and you know, you got to get out and enjoy the world. And doing things like this is just what living's all about.
Just say yes to adventures. Don't sit around and hope things are going to happen. Get out there and do it.
Exhausted, absolutely exhausted.
Yeah, no, delighted, relieved, and yeah.
It's been a stressful 48 hours worrying what would break next, but no, the car stayed together.
Yeah, no, it's been an epic event and a lot of different stages to it, and really tough to put it all together. So just absolutely delighted to be here.
To their Herculean efforts in this incredible car, the 1939 Chevrolet Master Coupe. Well done. These are the winners, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations.